My name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, today is moving day. So we've made it to the home. For context, we're not actually moving in, we're just moving in the saman, and then hopefully in the next 10 days we will also be moving in. As you can see, the house is yet not
almost
in the
done. 90% done, 10% बाकी है.
I would say 80% done.
ठीक है, 80% done.
So अभी सब unload करना. We've been at it since today morning, since 9 o'clock, and what time is it right now?
It's almost 7:30.
Almost 12 hours. I think we will touch 12 hours.
Yeah, but 12
no,
hours.
we will touch 12 hours.
अभी तक कुछ भी सामान आया नहीं. It's all just being unloaded नीचे, फिर लिफ्ट में लोड करेंगे, फिर यहाँ अनलोड होगा. It's going to take a long time.
So I think when the saman is being loaded, that is when you guys will see little sneak peeks of the house. But of course there'll be a separate video that's coming soon. But I'm very excited to set the house up and decorate and finally be able to do this. Hello guys, we are off कशिश का फर्स्ट रिएक्शन लेने एंड ऑल्सो ऑफकोर्स अनबॉक्स करने भी. आई यू एक्साइटेड कशिश?
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. हम इसके न्यू घर पे जा रहे हैं और कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड मैंने देखा नहीं है, तो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी हाउ द हाउस लुक्स. महीनों से काम चल रहा है. काफी कितने महीने हो गए?
6 महीने हो गए गाइस, 6 महीने.
बिकॉज सिंस इट हैज टेकन सो मच ऑफ देयर टाइम.
कशिश तो आधा टाइम थी भी नहीं, कनाडा में थी आधा टाइम, अब आई है. तो सो बेसिकली ऐसा सीन है कि कशिश, मी एंड वी हैव वन मोर ब्रदर whom you guys haven't seen a lot of, विशाल. हम तीनों का चिलिंग स्पॉट होता है मेरा घर. So this is going to be like a new adda almost. I'm very excited to create new memories and have lots of sleepovers. So yeah, you're gonna see your new room. We are here. पकड़ो कशिश अपने हाथ में.
ऑलरेडी मेरे इतना सुंदर लग रहा है. वाह,
अभी तक ऑब्वियसली हुआ नहीं है, बट हाँ.
ओह कितना क्यूट है. ये वॉल बहुत अच्छी है. ऐसे बाली एस्थेटिक वाइब्स. बाली याद आ गया मुझे.
ये मेरा रूम है.
मस्त लग रहा है इससे. हम सब ट्विन कर रहे हैं गाइस. सब ट्विन कर रहे हैं ब्लू में. हमारा वॉशरूम,
हमारा कॉमन वॉशरूम.
बेस्ट रूम तो बच गया था.
बेस्ट रूम हो गया, देख लिया उसने बेस्ट रूम.
वाह बड़ा रूम है बहुत.
That's it for her reaction. काफी लंबा रिएक्शन था. Okay, so lunch break हो चुका है. This is the current state of the house. This is what the whole house is looking like. There are so many boxes. मेरे उतने boxes actually है नहीं, but है. अच्छे सच्ची मेरा उतना सामान नहीं. मैंने पहले ही बहुत अच्छे से declutter कर लिया था. So there are boxes with M written on it. Let's take all the boxes. बेचारी का जबरदस्ती मुझे हेल्प करना पड़ रहा है.
यू तो मेरा पूरा
यूज तो करूंगी, उसका टेंशन मत ले. तो जितने भी एम वाले बॉक्सेस हैं उनको उठा के रूम में लेके जाते हैं और फिर अनपैक कर देंगे. सारे बॉक्सेस आज पैक कर देंगे. यस,
4:30 तक.
लेट्स गो. I think this whole vlog is like a big spoiler for sure, but I don't mind it. I really want to give you guys like little sneak peeks. अभी wallpaper वाले अंकल आ रहे हैं to install wallpaper in my bedroom. Of course, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of that as well. I don't think I want to reveal the color, but you guys will be able to see the print. So we've made quite a lot of progress. Almost, I think सारे boxes हो गए मेरे, या फिर हमें मिले नहीं है. Maybe there are more boxes that we haven't found. But जितने हमें मिले हमने उनको unbox कर दिया है. We found a lot of things in the memory pile which I wanted to show you guys. So this is something that my nanny had stitched. I think for me or maybe my mom. It could be either or. So I have this. Yeah, it's very cute. And there's one full bag full of toys that she's made with her hands, guys. Look at this elephant. Then we have a giraffe. It's so cute.
एक और है इसकी फ्रॉक है पूरी।
Yeah, there's
अरे
a
छोटू
लड़की भी है, ये देख। ओ वो रेड डांसिंग गर्ल इमोजी है ना, उसकी जैसी है काइंड ऑफ।
और उसका वो फ्लेयर कितना मस्त दिया है।
Yeah, पूरा बैग भर के है।
एक और कोई छोटू एनिमल है।
हॉर्स, छोटू एनिमल नहीं, सब बड़े बड़े ही है।
नहीं एक डियर है, ऐसा कुछ भी था छोटा सा।
Then look at the cutest thing. This is also hand knit.
बहुत cute।
So cute, बहुत ज़्यादा cute. I just wanted to show you guys all of that. So we're just going through the memory pile. मैंने literally एक पूरा section बनवाया मेरे room में. That is just for memory stuff. क्योंकि I've collected quite a lot over the years.
जो कि छोटा पड़ेगा।
छोटा पड़ेगा, मुझे भी वही लगता है, छोटा पड़ सकता है. And with that, we are done with day 1. How much are you done with, mummy?
Almost 50%, no, 75% of kitchen boxes
Nice.
are open. We of course will have to rearrange.
Correct.
And see which is the best.
Abhi, I think even I have done the same thing. I've just put it in the drawers. So that was nice. अच्छा काफी हो गया. I think मेरे सारे boxes हो गए.
हाँ,
Maybe एक दो होंगे और मिल नहीं रहे अभी, मिल जाएंगे. But yeah, successful.
So we
day
did a
one.
good job of labeling or not?
Yeah, of course. You did it, so it was done well. Hello, welcome to the next day. रात हो गई है. I spent the whole day shooting, but I've come अभी रात को. My mom has set up the whole house, almost the whole house. I'm sitting on the new sofa, which is fully covered in plastic.
जिसका प्लास्टिक निकालने नहीं वाले हैं।
कभी नहीं निकालेंगे,
Yes.
इसके ऊपर ही पिटाएंगे सबको.
Yes.
बट काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस हो गया. बाय द वे फॉर कॉन्टेक्स्ट, आई डोंट नो मैंने ये एट एनी पॉइंट बताया कि नहीं, बट माई मॉम, डैड एंड आई आर स्टेइंग इन आवर स्टूडियो एंड टुमारो इज व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू शिफ्ट, बिकॉज वी हैव टू शिफ्ट ऑन 13th. वी कांट शिफ्ट ऑन एनी अदर डेट. सो टुमारो इज 13th, so we're gonna shift tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be our first night in the house. एंड आज कुछ ऐसा सच है नहीं मेरे लिए करने के लिए यहाँ पे अनपैक या कुछ भी. आई एम मोस्टली डन. टुमारो आई एम जस्ट गोना कम एंड स्लीप. इट्स गोना टेक सम टाइम टू डू द फाइनल रिवील, बट आई फील लाइक I've given you guys a lot of sneak peeks as it is. Since we are on the topic of sneak peeks, let's quickly go to the other house, आदित्य के घर पे, और जो हमारा नया बेडरूम बन रहा है वो भी देख लो. I'll do a quick sneak peek because why not? In case you don't know that, maybe because you don't follow us on the second channel, go and subscribe to our second channel. मेरा घर एक फ्लोर पे और फिर आदित्य का घर दूसरे फ्लोर पे, in the same building without revealing floors. Clearly मेरा लोअर फ्लोर पे आदित्य का और ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे. But yeah, let's go check it out. किसका रूम है ये?
मेरा और मैडी का।
Yeah, this is what it's looking like. We've given you a big sneak peek here.
Yes, very big sneak peek, but okay.
I mean सिर्फ ढांचा ही बना है obviously, but yeah, washroom. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा hidden storage है, and then washroom again. I can imagine it a little bit, but
I can't imagine it at all.
See?
मैं मैडी के भरोसे चलूँ।
तो जो Pinterest पिक्चर्स निकाले हमने बेसिकली कॉपी पेस्ट किया
थोड़ा
है,
बहुत।
कुछ ज़्यादा खुद का दिमाग लगाया नहीं है इसमें, बट या this is what it's looking like. Hello, it's the day finally when we are shifting properly. आज हम first night spend करेंगे and this is where we're gonna stay. Today onwards, I have all of the सामान loaded from the studio going to the new house and I'm excited. Of course, it's not fully done अभी तक. I would say 80% हो गया है और छोटी छोटी चीजें एक महीने तक चलने ही वाली है. But let's go to the new house. My mom is gonna hate me for doing this, but I'm gonna open the cover. It's wrapped in plastic. Okay. Wow, must have. Okay, so I am in bed, but I'm not sleeping in my room unfortunately because हमें आज ही पता चला कि मेरे रूम का फैन भी नहीं ऑन हो रहा है, AC भी ऑन नहीं हो रहा है. So obviously I can't sleep there. I'm sleeping in the hall, which is fine. Very comfortable, but yeah, looking forward to sleeping in my room hopefully tomorrow. It was a nice day. I'm so happy that finally after 6 months we've moved in. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Shop number 1 on SV Road. Honestly, they customize everything for you, but oh आराम से. But there are quite a few options that I already like. कैसा है, comfortable है? दिखने में भी I think अच्छी है, cute है ये. Does it feel sturdy? हाँ आई एग्री, इससे बेटर ये वाली है।
स्टडी के लिए तो 2 साल की वारंटी रहेगी।
सेंटर टेबल का कितना होता है यूजुअली?
So the dining table, center table, chandelier and dining table की 4 chairs have been chosen and Mridul is giving the order for the same, as you can see.
And we're done with everything in 50k, which is really good. Okay, so finally done. I am really happy with everything that I've ordered. So in terms of like the quality and the durability, I do have a few things from them already, so I do trust the quality. जो घर पे peacock chair है वो भी इनके through ही है. Now one thing to remember is that they give you a 2-year warranty, which is amazing, and it's termite free, and in terms of maintenance all you need to do is wash it with water, and that's basically it. It's pretty low maintenance, so yeah, we're done with a big task. And बहुत सस्ते में हुआ है, because I remember going for dining table shopping and just chair shopping in general, and dining tables are for like 1.5 लाख 2 लाख के, वो marble के जो होते हैं वो. So anyway, our theme is very like boho. So as I was saying, I'm happy to support a local business and I'm excited to see how my products turn out. Okay, so the last clip that you saw was of me shopping for the dining table and the chairs and stuff like that. 10-12 days later, checking in, the stuff has been delivered. Let me actually show you what it looks like. I think it looks quite cute. थोड़े changes है अभी भी मेरे तरफ से, but I am overall very happy with the way it's looking. Okay, so this is what the dining table is looking like. Love the नीचे का floating part, but for some reason the guy has decided to stain it much darker than my reference picture. But अच्छा लग रहा है contrast. We're still figuring if we want to keep it or not. What the chairs look like. Most probably we're gonna get a bench made पीछे, and पीछे wallpaper भी लगना बाकी है. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Excuse the mess, but this is what the center table is looking like. It's exactly according to the reference picture. Again, ऊपर का पार्ट बहुत डार्क स्टेन हो गया है, सो दिस आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू चेंज. आज का एंटायर डे आई एम डेडिकेटिंग टू घर का काम. माय मॉम हैज बीन द वन हु इज मेनली डूइंग एवरीथिंग, एंड आई एम ऑब्वियसली सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर हर, बट आई वांट टू बी एबल टू हेल्प हर. सो आज संडे, आई हैव द टाइम टू हेल्प हर टुडे. सो टुडे वी गोना गो चेक आउट सम मैट्रेसेस, बिकॉज घर में मैट्रेसेस नहीं है, सो वी रियली नीड टू लाइक अर्जेंटली गो एंड पिक सम अप टुडे. So let's go do that. So we've been hearing a lot about Duroflex's doctor recommended range. So we decided to go ahead and visit the store and see and feel the difference firsthand. Now this range has 5-zone dual density orthopedic technology. Basically what it means is that it provides differentiated support to 5 different pressure zones of the body, basically ensuring spinal alignment and posture correction. While we were in the store, of course, we made sure to try out the different mattresses and their recliners as well. I have to add that the staff was incredibly helpful in guiding us through the whole process, and eventually we had to zero down to the posture perfect mattress. So it's been a few weeks since we've gotten our mattress delivered. Let's get a quick review from my parents. Okay, so how has your experience been last week?
Wonderful. I love the mattress because it's really nice and cozy, and in the night I have realized that I am getting much better sleep than the previous experience.
Oh, nice.
I love it.
If you are looking for a new mattress, definitely make sure to check out Duroflex's website and locate your nearest experience center so that you too can get a feel for yourself. And with that, I am going to be ending today's video. I am so glad to be ending this video only because I'm so tired of hiding my backdrops and not being able to show you guys. Finally, I want to release this video and hopefully very soon share with you guys my room tour, the house tour, all of that. But I feel like before I do that, I want to understand in the comments down below, do you guys want to see me setting up my vanity? So spoiler, यहाँ पे ये रूम में एक proper vanity बनाया है मैंने for my makeup. So would you guys be interested in seeing like a proper setting up video for that, like organization setting up? because I would love to do that. And yeah, the house is obviously a work in progress. I would say 80% ho chuka hai, but 20% baki hai. Same with my room. But I'm hoping in this month, February, to release at least one of the 2 videos. My room tour, here's hoping, because I'm just so done hiding my room from you guys. But yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. I know it was very chaotic. I literally started vlogging last year in 2023, and as we speak, it's February 2024. So we've gone through quite a lot. But yeah, that's basically it to today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.